Now let's say you want a more stylish scroll view. There is a list wheel scroll view, and this one accepts children, so we'll remove this, then also remove this. We'll just put it like that, or let's say this. Then once we do this, we remove this last one. Then this list will accepts an item extent, so we'll say 60, and once you do this, you see these items lining up in the form of a wheel. Now as you can see, you might be able to see the wheel animation there, where if you scroll you can see it kind of does a wheel animation. Even when you scroll down, it does that. So you can basically put as many items as you want inside your list wheel scroll view, so that you can just see how it comes out.